Thank you guys for being here with me today. My name's Charlie with Mode Distributing. I'm here to talk to you guys about ILVE. You'll notice, opening up the oven here, we do offer glide racks, which this unit does not have, but we do have a flat, easy to clean surface, soft closed doors, a smaller cavity here, which unique to the industry does have a full rotisserie and convection fan. Easy to clean surface on the smaller oven as well. These do also offer what's called continuous clean, which is a coating built into the cavity, ensuring that as it cooks, it's continuously burning things down and into the bottom of the section and exhausting through the back and through the front. If you guys notice, we do also offer this stainless steel griddle that's fully removable. Compared to other manufacturers where you have this stationary griddle that isn't removable, you have two burners under here where we also offer grates that go above this, giving you versatility where you're not only limited to the griddle. We offer 8 burners on this unit, dual ring to be exact, so we can offer really good heat distribution from the external to the internal, giving you guys the ability to go high and simmer just in the center, bringing all the flame to that center piece. We also offer this neat deflector, which is very gentle. This transfers over the heat onto the cooking surface, covering the flame. If you'd like to hear a little bit more about ILVE, please come visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center here in Torrance, Studio City, Calabasas, Santa Clarita, and Costa Mesa.